broiler lower rack.
Yeah! Hey! Oh! Dripping off the side. Drip it off the side. Hey! Hey! Never get the berries. Get that to drip over? Oh!
Good Wednesday before Thanksgiving. I saw this. It's a Bisquick ad. There's a long story. I didn't want to buy a waffle maker. I never eat waffles. I was looking at some vintage Wherever and Armstrong waffle stovetop waffle makers. I thought of getting one of the little Dash, but I don't eat waffles. I'll eat the ones I bought today, but and I don't have room. So we used Eggo. But I saw this months ago and I thought it would be fun for Thanksgiving, even though we used chicken. It said I could use chicken or turkey. You gotta try it, man. White sauce, chicken, cranberry sauce, waffle? Let's take a bite. Let's see if we can take a bite. I want to get sauce. I want to get one with sauce. Wow. Ow! And I bought this yellow plate because it looked like the one in the ad. All right. Whoa. All right. That's not good. All right. Here we go. Waffle Supper Royale. There's a lot of cranberry. And the cream sauce really does soften it up. I don't think we need that much. It's delicious though. I always buy jelly cranberry because it reminds me of my dad. I never buy the whole berries. So this is new. Let's zoom in. Zoom in. Waffle Supper Royale. It's very interesting. Here we go. Come on. Hey! Oh, you didn't see that, man. Oh! Wow. The cranberry sauce really does go with the cream sauce. I'm surprised. Wow, this is kind of... This is a Forma plate. Are you familiar with replacements where you can get old dishes? I found this plate on eBay. It's a signature Forma, and I didn't know that they would send me a new one, but it had the sticker. It's brand new. How cool is that? It's not easy to get on your fork. Wow. It's really soaking into the top. I can't remember the last time I bought Eggos. Decades ago. They only had the home style, so I'm not sure what the difference is between the home style and the religious. The original recipe is in the description. It calls for you to make a Bisquick waffle. Feel free to make a Bisquick waffle. You know what? This tastes really good. It's a supper dessert because of the sweetness. And tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday before Thanksgiving. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? I really like the cream sauce with the cranberry. You could do it on toast. Thanks for watching.